Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we look at Matic and we'll see the Matic USDT chart as well as Matic BTC chart. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So we're looking at Matic charts and let's first go to Matic USDT chart. And if you look at Matic USDT chart, then I have given you very clear targets over here. This is a Matic USDT daily chart and Matic currently is below $1.54 zone, which is an important zone according to me. If Matic needs to continue its bull trend, it needs to be above $1.54 in my opinion. So currently Matic is below 1.54 and hence these are the two supports. The immediate support is at $0.9 and the main support is at $0.38. As you can see, there is no major support in this area. That's why Matic needs to stay above $1.54 if it needs to continue. Then if it can continue, then $2 and $2.7. These are the two targets that I see Matic hitting in the near future. But given the current scenario, let me add the exponential moving averages. As you can see, it's right now below 1.54 and our exponential moving average is also around the same area of 1.54 to $1.56. For Matic to keep pumping, it has to be above this green line. That is the 21 exponential moving average. If you see the entire Matic run, it was above this green line and hence it was constantly pumping. So if you can see, after a long time, after at least 3 or 4 months, Matic has fallen below this green line. Okay, so it is currently bearish and getting resisted, but it's not that bad. If you see here, then Matic did come below this green line and it again went back up. This was the 19th May Bitcoin crash. And after 2-3 days, Matic went down. And if you see that it went up immediately. So it had a V-shaped bounce. But currently it is looking weak because it is falling down constantly. So it needs to come above $1.54 if it has to continue. If not, then I'm afraid that there is a possibility because the immediate support is over here, which is at around $0.9. And the main support is over here. As you can see, Matic spent a lot of time at this price zone in March, which is at around $0.38. So there is no strong support even at $0.9. There is only some support over here between 0.6 to 0.9, but that was also not some major support. It was only for a week. This was for almost a month, $0.38. So there is not such strong support anywhere in this area. Hence, Matic needs to be above 1.54 and keep ranging between 1.54 to $2 and create a new support over here. Or else it might retest $0.9. And if we see an Bitcoin crash once again, then I think it can go even further down. Again, these are just my opinions and please do your own research. I'm just sharing what I see in the Matic USDT chart on daily time frame. If we look at a lower time frame, even on the 4 hour, you can see that Matic on the 4 hour is for the first time looking bearish. See this cross over here where the green line has crossed the red line. So that's a bearish sign for Matic. If you see this entire pump, green line was always above the red line. The red line is the 200 EMA, 200 exponential moving average, and the green line is the 21 moving average. So if you see this entire pump, nowhere had green line crossed red line, even on the 4 hour chart. Matic was that bullish. It did come close in this April, but it again bounced back. So for the first time in a many months, Matic is showing bearish on a 4 hour time frame, and it's looking bearish, starting to look bearish on even on the daily. But it's still very far from being completely bearish. So we need to see how it performs in a coming days. And I think it all also depends on the overall market and majorly on the Bitcoin price action. If Bitcoin stays bullish, then I think we can see a continuation. But if it Bitcoin keeps ranging or keeps making higher lows, then I think we will see uh, alts dropping, including Matic. Because if we go to the Matic BTC chart, you can see that Matic BTC again for the first time in a long time, even Matic BTC is showing signs of weakness. Currently, Matic BTC is not bearish. This purple line that you are seeing, it is getting resisted. Sorry, it is getting support with this purple line, which is our bull support, in my opinion. So currently Matic is getting support, but this is the last line of defense for Matic to be bullish on the daily chart in Matic BTC pair. If it breaks this, then the next immediate two supports are at 2435 sats and at 772 sats. But again, as we saw on the USDT chart, this is not such a great support. The main support is over here. So it's a big fall even on the BTC pair if Matic breaks this range. You can see the immediate support is 34% down, and the next main support is almost 80% down on the BTC pair. Hence, it is very important for Matic to be above 3674 Satoshis on the BTC pair. Okay, it's currently getting support by this. If it can continue above this price, then I can see it achieving 5196 Satoshis and 6550 Satoshis. So these are again two bullish targets. If Matic continues, then it is almost 80% on the upside. But similarly, I see a similar threat. If it dumps, it can dump as big as 80% on the BTC pair. And hence, we need to see how things unfold for Matic in the coming days. Looking at Bitcoin, things are currently looking good for Bitcoin on the lower time frame, but still it's very early to say for the Bitcoin. So we have to see the Bitcoin performance. If you have seen my Bitcoin 1 minute video, which I had posted this Sunday, that is almost 6 days back, Bitcoin has been performing as predicted as in that 1 minute video. And this was the latest update today where Bitcoin is getting resisted by $37,400 range and the downtrend. And Bitcoin needs to first flip 37,400 into support, in my opinion. Guys, go and check the Bitcoin video that I have posted yesterday to see the entire detailed analysis of Bitcoin. Because understanding Bitcoin will also help us to know what alts will perform and how alts will perform. So Matic is no doubt one of the strongest performing alts of this season, and it's overall bullish. It is fundamentally very strong project, and I have been bullish on Matic since more than a year now. But this is the recent development that I saw in the Matic chart, and that's why I think it is necessary for you all to know what I feel and what I see on this chart. So it is very important for Matic to hold 3674 Satoshi support on the BTC pair. And on the BTC pair, I still see Matic being bullish, but on the USDT pair, it is definitely showing signs of weakness. And it is below its bull support zone of $1.54. So let us see. We would like to see Matic above 1.54 in the next few days if it needs to continue. If not, then it can go further down to $0.9. And if we see a major crash in Bitcoin, then it can even go to $0.38 because that is the major support area. There are not many supports anywhere over here. It has just been crazy pumping. So there is no actual support anywhere except this price zone. Hence, if uh, bull market has to continue and if Bitcoin has to continue trending higher and we would like Matic to continue trending higher, we have to see Matic above $1.54. So that's it guys for Matic's one day analysis. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.